here at MGM, we have a number of different products, 2 different single hungs, 3 different double hungs, casement, 2 different sliding patio doors, along with swing doors. And that mixture of product really allowed us to sell a lot of people that a lot of our competitors couldn't sell.
From the days when I started back in '04, we just had a die shop and a couple extrusion lines, and we evolved from there to a reclaim center, to a die cleaning department, die shop, and quality department.
MGM's always been pretty innovative as far as our products and our processes here.
Looking forward to the future is the change from a painted window to a capstock window.
Capstock is a PVC acrylic product that we are capping over our existing extrusion coming out of the extruder, and it gives us the ability to offer the customer darker colors.
Capstock is actually not a laminate, it's not a paint, it's actually vinyl extruded into vinyl. This product is going to take us to the next level.
You look at a window in your house and you think it's pretty simple and straightforward, but there's a lot of different options, a lot of different components that go into it.
A lot of features and benefits that people aren't aware of when you get to looking at the nuts and bolts of the window, as far as what MGM puts into our products so that we make it better for the end user at the end of the day.